Hey my boos, hey, how y'all doing? It's your girl. And y'all know who I be. What'd you say? Oh. Let's see. I'm just like really driven to use these cards. And that's the truth. And baby, I promise I ain't drunk nothing. The Chariot. So the Chariot has came out, and I feel like this the scoop. What's the scoop? What's the scoop? That's it? Okay, that's it for this day. What's the scoop? The scoop is the Ace of Pentacles. I don't do reversals. The Chariot coming in. Plus, I'm not being told to do reversals. There's something about Pisces, the 11th house, and the North Node. So Pisces could be your North Node. I could be talking to somebody who got a North Node Pisces, or Pisces in the 11th house, or your 11th house. Your 11th house and your North Node are both Pisces. But I feel like you got a message coming in. You could be dealing with a Cancer sign. I feel like this is ancient knowledge. This is ancestral knowledge too coming in. This is coming from the heavens, right? Look at this card. Isn't it beautiful? Okay, I feel like this is divine message coming in for you. Y'all remember when my blonde was way here, and now look, it's at the tips, and look how golden it looks right now. And I promise you guys, I've just been using my cousin's oils to get my scalp in place. As y'all can see, I ain't been itching. As y'all can see, it's healing. I feel like this is playing a part into the message, so take what resonate. If it don't fit, baby, you must have quit. Also with the Ace of Pentacles being at the bottom of the deck, and the Nine of Wands, the Wounded Warrior. Like some battle. It's like you've been battling for this coin, right? Yeah, because of the choice you made, it's coming in. Because you're showing up as that chameleon energy. Like, share, subscribe, you guys. Comment down below. And I want to talk about this because this is very interesting. But you could book with your girl on